If your TCL TV won't turn on, don't panic. Here are 9 reliable methods to get it up and running again. Method 1. Check the power outlet. Sometimes, the issue isn't with the TV but the power outlet. Plug another device into the same outlet to confirm it's working. If not, reset the circuit breaker or try a different outlet. Method 2. Inspect the power cord. Ensure the power cord is securely connected to both the TV and the wall outlet. Check for any visible damage to the cord, as a damaged cord can prevent power from reaching the TV. Method 3. Soft reset the TV. Unplug your TV from the power source. Wait for at least 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple reset can fix many power-related issues by refreshing the TV's internal system. Method 4. Check the remote control. Sometimes, the remote might be the culprit. Ensure the batteries are working, and try turning on the TV using the power button on the TV itself instead of the remote. Method 5. Reset the TV using the power button. If your TV has a power button, press and hold it for about 10–15 seconds while the TV is plugged in. This can perform a soft reset, which might resolve the issue. Method 6. HDMI cable check. Unplug all HDMI cables from the TV, and then try turning it on. Sometimes, HDMI devices can cause interference, preventing the TV from turning on. Afterward, plug the HDMI cables back in one at a time to see if a specific device is causing the issue. Method 7. Perform a factory reset. If your TV has a tiny reset button usually at the back or side of the TV, use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. This will restore the TV to factory settings, which can resolve deeper software issues. Method 8. Test the power supply board. If none of the above steps work, there might be an issue with the internal power supply board. This is a bit more technical, but you can check for any obvious signs of damage or burning. If you're not comfortable doing this, it might be time to consult a professional. Method 9. Firmware update via USB. In rare cases, outdated firmware can cause power issues. Check TCL's official website for firmware updates. If available, download it onto a USB drive and follow the instructions to update your TV. If you've tried all these steps and the issue persists, it may be time to contact TCL support or a professional technician for further assistance.